BL-WDN953AX USB wireless network adapter unboxing and usage. First, look at the front of the packaging. You can see the network adapter model and physical picture, as well as related functions. It supports Wi-Fi 6 dual band and also comes with the latest Bluetooth technology 5.4, supported by non-drive black technology. We can open it up and see. The network adapter is fixed in the card slot to prevent transportation collisions. The overall network adapter is pure white, paired with a delicate high-gloss texture shell. Remove the protective cap and use the standard USB interface. Two high-gain antennas are also externally mounted. Connect to the computer to see the effect. Connect the USB port of the network card to the computer. After installing the network card, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions will be displayed in the lower right corner. That's the end of this video.